I will provide some key market trends I've seen on the whole market. The first one is technology advancement. So this industry, as I mentioned, have started to embrace the new technology. So telematics probably has been the first one that has been taken in consideration by the industry, but now we move to digitalization and automation and machine learning. Big trend that we've seen in the industry has been sustainability and environmental aspect. There's been a growing emphasis on sustainable construction practices that is leading in an increased demand for environmental friendly and energy efficient equipment. So the construction company now are focusing on reducing emission, minimizing wasting, adopting eco-friendly material. To what I mentioned before, they're related mainly to people and profitability. So from a people perspective is they don't find people, they are too costly, safety is a concern, comfort is a concern for the operator, and so what is necessary is to provide the solution that address this basic need of the people. And then they're asking assist capability for the same needs. The operator have no skills, so they need to bring people that have with a very low.
To watch the entire video, contact us via the link given below in the description.